Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And welcome back to the land of grills. I'll tell you what, I've been cooking a lot on that one down there, and I'm feeling a little guilty that I'm neglecting the rest of them. So let's pick one of these and let's cook on something other than that one on the end today. I've got some, oh man, I gotta tell you what I've got. I've got some pork that I took and made nice and thin, and stuffed it with some cheese and some ham and rolled it in a bacon weave. Oh man, it's just a pork loin, folks. I'll tell you what, why don't you go take a look at that pork loin to see what I did to it, and I'm gonna choose the grill and get it fired up. All right, folks, so we're gonna start with just a little piece of pork loin here. I trimmed off a lot of the fat, and I just got some saran wrap, and I'm just gonna beat it down until I get it nice and flat, give you a look-see. All right, folks, got it pounded down. Now I'm going to season it up. This is the best time to season it up. Use some of this Big Kahuna from Cindy Lewis. This has got a really nice smell to it, and it'll go really well on pork. Then I'm going to put some ham and some cheese in there. All right, I got cheese and I got the ham kind of intermingled in there, so there's different layers. And then now we're just going to roll it up. It's really simple. All right, and there's our bacon weave. Folks, I usually go just 5 pieces across and then just fill them up. And that takes just about a full pound of bacon. So then we're gonna just take our roll here, and we'll use some saran wrap. We use our saran wrap to help us roll it up. And then just roll it up like that. Peel back your saran wrap once it gets started, like that. And then we just keep on, just keep going. And there you have it. Perfect. On to the grill we go. All right, folks, why not go with one of the smallest grills I got, the Weber Go Anywhere. I'll tell you what, this thing, when it comes to indirect cooking and what we're gonna do today, it's gonna be perfect. Let's take a look at the setup. You can see the vents on this thing are really different. So I've got the vents on the charcoal side on the bottom open, vent over the charcoal closed, vent on the other side open, so the smoke and the heat are gonna go up, over, and out. I'll tell you what, super simple. Let's get that pork on there. All right, got the Weber dialed in here. Look at that, 200. It'll do this all day long, folks. These little Go Anywhere charcoal grills. You can see how this is almost a little bit too tight for the Weber, but we'll make it work. Just keep on watching, give it a couple look-sees, and this is gonna be fantastic. All right, folks, about an hour into it, let's take a quick look. Oh man, look at that. So we're gonna turn her 90 degrees. Charcoal's doing good, and this is going real well. Give me one more look-see as we go on. All right, folks, I know I told you I'd give you a couple more look-sees, but there's the finished product. Oh man, look at that. Isn't that perfect? I'll tell you what, folks, this is good eating right here. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Oh man.